Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile guys smart sidebar setting, how to use. Friends, you don't know about smart sidebar, so how to on smart sidebar and how to use smart sidebar on Oppo mobile. In this video friends we will talk about one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Oppo phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on Oppo mobile. Open friend tool setting friends. After tool setting you can use navigation setting, screenshot, screen recording setting, assistive well setting, quick return bubble setting. Friends, click here smart sidebar. After on smart sidebar friends, you want to on smart sidebar on your Oppo mobile. Friends, click here. After on smart sidebar friends, you can see right side this line. So friends, swipe here right side and friends you can use smart sidebar setting on your Oppo mobile. Come back here friends. Friends, right side here friends, swipe here and friends direct you can on screen recording, you can take a screenshot, you can on YouTube app, you can on share me app, you want to on phone setting, you can on, and friends you want to add any app, so click here and you can add app. Friends, you want to remove this app, so you can remove. Click your app, which app friends you want to use, select app, example Chrome app, file app, Google app, Instagram app you want to on, done here, come back. Friends, direct click here, file will open on your device. Again swipe here. Once you want to on YouTube app, so you can on YouTube app, and once you can close your app also. Once you want to on Instagram app, you can on Instagram app from here. Again swipe, once you can see phone setting you want to use, once click your phone setting will on. So like that friends, you can use smart sidebar setting and you can use on your Oppo mobile. And friends, you don't want to use the smart sidebar shortcut setting, you can turn off from here. Click your tool setting, smart sidebar off. After offense you cannot use your Oppo mobile shortcut setting guys. So like that friends, we can use smart sidebar setting on Oppo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do even doubt, so you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends. And friends, again you want to use, so you can on and you can off from here. Bye friends.